Downloading account statements from Fifth Third Bank is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to access your statements easily. Step 1. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to account statements. Once logged in, look for the Accounts or Account Services section on the dashboard. Click on it to find the option for account statements. Step 3. Select the account. Choose the specific account for which you want to download the statement. This could be a checking, savings, or credit card account. Step 4. Choose the statement period. After selecting the account, you will see options to select the statement period. Choose the month or year for which you need the statement. Step 5. Download the statement. Once you have selected the desired period, look for a download or export button. Click on it to download the statement in your preferred format, such as PDF or CSV. By following these steps, you can easily download your account statements from Fifth Third Bank. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.